In 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. We've got one quarter going on for blue. Almost getting more for red. And we've got a second one by Bread. And one for the Gear Gremlins. Popcorn Penguins going for the algae in the barge. Not quite, but that's okay. They're only down 6 points going into the driver control period. And they scored that algae in the barge. That'll bring it a lot closer. Over on the Red Alliance, System Overload Robotics, they are getting those algae out of the reef. Red moving around fast. They've grabbed an algae, they put it in the processor. Red lining up. Spot provoking over on the blue reef. They're looking for an L2. Oh, not quite, but we've got an L3 for the Gear Gremlins. 59-40 Bread, one more coral. They make it look easy. I assure you it is not. We are 10 points between these alliances. One coral for the Gear Gremlins, and Bread lining up to match it, and it's good. 41-59, the San Francisco team, that's Cardinal Robotics, goes for an L1, and it's good. 10 points still, 7 points between these alliances at the minute-and-a-half mark. 30-45, Gear Gremlin scores one on the L3. They're also looking for ranking points. They may get fewer points, but those ranking points will help them, whether they win or lose. Red puts another algae in the processor, and we're 2 points, 5 points between these alliances. We've got an algae going in the barge by the Popcorn Penguins. They are an algae specialist. Blue Alliance takes the lead, Red takes it back. 1 minute remaining. 41-59, scores on level 2 for a coral. Red picks up an algae, line it up, and it's good. 45 seconds remaining, Red Alliance trying to pull ahead, but it's still anybody's match. We've barely exceeded 10 points between these alliances. One more for the Gear Gremlins on L2, and it's 3 points for the Red Alliance. Popcorn Penguins get an algae. And one on level 4 for Cardinal Robotics, one on level 3 for Bread. 6 points, 30 seconds. Spot provoking. They've decided we're going to climb. Let's see how that works out for them. Red lining up and scores on level 4. 10 points ahead. And we've got a level 4 by the Gear Gremlins, making it 5. 10 seconds remaining. We are going for the climb. Red in the air. 41-59 on the ground. Gear Gremlins going for coral. 4 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, and they slide in to park. That looks good to me, but we'll see what the riff. Blue Alliance takes the win by 4 points. 149 to 145. 4 ranking points for blue, 3 for red.